Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove collaboration on Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram Collabs is an Instagram feature that enables users to collaborate with one another. Using this feature, you can co-author a feed post or reel with another user. The post will feature both your handles and show up on both your profiles, allowing more users to see it. That means you get to garner collective engagement from each other's communities. But what if you want to remove collaboration from your post, maybe for some reasons you want to remove that? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. I will show you my collaborate post here. Here's the post that I collaborate with my another account. You can see there's two accounts on the top of the post. It means this is a collaborate post. And if you want to remove this users or this account from collaboration, so this post you want only on your profile only, it's so simple. So you can tap on the three dots beside on the up right corner from the posts here. You can tap on that. Now you can tap on edit here, and you'll see on the tag here person, there's one person. You can tap on that. Now you can tap on here, tap on X here to remove the collaborations. So you can tap on the upper right corner here and tap on the upper right corner here, and you can refresh the page. Refresh the page. I will reopen the app. And you can see there's no more account that I'm collaborate with on the up on the top of the post here. You can see. And they will get notified when you remove them from collaborations. I will show you. Let's switch the account first. Now you can see there on this profile, there's no more the collaboration post. And you can see if you remove someone from collaboration post, they will get notified like this. Remove you from being a collaborator on their post. So that is how to remove collaboration on Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.